Hi everybody, this is Southforce production. In this video I'm gonna show you how to mix 808s and also how to layer two different 808s so they pop through the mix very easy. Let's go. Alright, so here's our 808. Let's hear it, how it sounds right now, and make sure that the levels are correct and it's not clipping on anything like that. So out of the box you can see it goes to the 0 dBs. We're gonna remove the volume over here. I usually like to decrease the volume of sample before it hits the mixer. So we're gonna do it right here, and we're gonna go probably around 9 or even 12, probably 9 for now. Let's see. So it's like very loud. Start right about here, and second thing what we're gonna do is we going to assign it to one of the inserts. I'm gonna boost a little bit over around 200 dB, and here for the boxiness of 808 to make sure if you hear some boxiness and very like mod, you could tame it a little bit and make sure it's clean. So let's hear it, and we're probably gonna reduce a little bit around here, but let's hear it first. And also we're gonna remove a little bit of high end because there's usually a lot of percussion and hi-hats, so we're gonna remove some like that, just a touch, without changing overall sound of 808. The second plugin, what I would do, I just recently got this knock from Decap, a very good plugin for drums, and there's one preset that I like for 808s, and we're gonna start with that, and we're gonna play around with knobs and make sure it sounds according to our taste. Let's try it. So this is with, and now we're gonna go to the dry and remove all the effects and see how it sounds with and without. Yeah, right about there. And you can notice when you add this plugin, the volume goes up over there. So we can remove the volume on the output over here, or we could add limiter and do it in limiter, but in this stage we can just mess with output. Let's play it again. Yeah, right about there, I like it. Next, one of my favorites recently is Soothie 2. It does some magic for everything that you pretty much can imagine. It can do drums, bass, you can throw it in master. In this case we're gonna use for bass, and we're gonna do a little bit of demodding the bass whenever 808 hits, and this is gonna affect the waveform over here, and you can see and you can actually hear the difference. Let's see, let's hear it. This is with, this without. It's very subtle effect, but overall, in general, it will make it sound a little bit cleaner. The next thing, I know a lot of people like it, a lot of people hate it. We're gonna use a sausage fattener. It's pretty fun plugin that adds a lot of fatness and color to your bass, 808s, kicks, whatever. and we could actually put the soothing down, because this is gonna be our last plugin. And over here we're gonna play according to our ear. We might need it, we might not. Just let's play around and see if it actually gonna do something good for us. Sounds alright. So this is one of our first ways of mixing 808, the layering of 808 as I was talking about before. So we're gonna duplicate this 808, assign it to second insert, and what we're gonna do here, we're gonna go ahead and add equalizer. We're gonna remove almost everything from the low end and leave the high end. So this is what we get right now. So we removed everything from low end, we left something on the high end, and then we're gonna boost the high frequencies only in stereo on sides. Something like that. And we're also gonna go to our sausage fattener. Where is our sausage? And crank the color and a little bit of fatness. Then we're gonna go ahead and add another equalizer just to make sure that nothing is bleeding on the lower end. Also, we're gonna do the same for our first 808 just to make sure we got everything the same, but we could remove this. So something like that. And now we can hear them together. So this is one of the ways of layering 808 so it popped through the mix. And this is mostly focused on the lower end, this is on higher end. In some instances you probably could also remove high end from the first 808 like that and leave everything on the second one like we just did over on this side, and it's gonna sound pretty clean. And when you play it on cheaper sound systems which doesn't have a lot of bass, you will be able to still hear your 808 because of this little trick separating high and low and mixing them all together. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, follow the channel for more videos like that and for my new music that's gonna come out soon. And thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next videos. Bye bye.